Friends, many of you guys keep asking me about EV spare parts. One most common question which I'll get is where can we buy genuine EV spare parts if at all they are not available in showrooms. So currently I'm at EV spare parts store here in Hyderabad. So this store is offering all EV spare parts, all genuine EV spare parts. Not only in Hyderabad, they will also ship to all over India. So in this video, let's know complete details about this EV spare parts store in Hyderabad. So this store name is JAS EV Experts. Not only spare parts, they will also repair battery packs and electric vehicles. Let's meet the owner of the store and we'll explore in detail about this JAS EV Experts. Come with me. Friends, here we have the owner of this JAS EV Expert, Mr. Ankul Agarwalji. Hi sir, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Okay, I'm good. So when you have started this store and what's your intention to start a dedicated EV spare parts store in Hyderabad?
It's been close to 6-7 months now.
Okay.
And we have this store because we get a lot of inquiries where people don't get spares and service easily for electric vehicle.
Yeah.
It could be a normal consumer who has purchased electric vehicle. There are dealers who are not getting spare parts from the OEMs at time.
Yeah.
Even they don't have the equipments or the experience to do the servicing as well.
Okay.
So the complete supply chain lacks the availability of spares and service.
Yeah.
And that is what we identified, that it could be a good thing to be in this part of the industry where we can help our consumers with the availability of spares and service.
Okay.
So that the overall the confidence about the industry is there with the consumer.
Okay. So which company or which vehicle parts you are maintaining regularly, and what's the regular requirement which you get?
So basically we try to have spare parts for all brands.
Okay.
Be it Hero Electric, Okinawa, Ampere, your Olas, your Ather.
Okay.
As many as we can. We act as a one-stop shop.
Okay.
And in terms of there are categories like fast-moving parts. So like brake pads, brake shoe, brake cables, lock sets. So these are available for almost all the models.
Okay.
For Ola, we have brake pads, we have accessories, we have back seat trim, footrest. For Ather similarly. For Revolt as well, we have brake pads, original brake pads. And the next category which generally customer asks for is body parts.
Okay.
Because these consumables probably they are able to find in the market.
Yeah.
But the body parts, like the fiber items, it is not easily available in the market.
Yeah.
And we tend to have all kinds of range of spare body parts for each model.
Okay.
Each brand in the market.
Okay.
And also we have the last category, electric systems like motor controller. So as you can see, this is original Hero Electric motor.
Okay.
Which we have directly is coming from the supplier.
Okay, so you are taking from the same OEM which Hero Electric will buy this motor.
So see, everything is coming from China.
Okay.
So right now we have direct agreements in China where we are procuring all original items which the OEM in India is doing. For example, Hero Electric. So now we are taking directly it from the main supplier.
Okay, so will you provide any warranty on these kind of items?
Yes, obviously the OE products they do have warranty.
Okay.
So this motor basically we have two segments where we offer 6 months warranty and 1 year warranty.
Okay.
So there is a variance in price.
Okay.
Yeah, but we do offer warranty.
Okay, so what are all the other spare parts you have? The fast moving spare parts.
See, generally most demanding is the brake shoe. These are 110 brake shoe which are widely are in demand.
Okay.
Then after this you have disc pads.
Okay.
These are original Revolt disc pads.
Okay.
We are the authorized dealer for the OE company which is supplying to Revolt.
Okay.
Then you have meters.
Okay.
You have controllers, DC to DC converter.
Okay, so in the brake pads itself, I can see 2 to 3 differences.
There are about 5 varieties over here.
Okay.
Because each company, each new company in the market is coming up with a different model.
Okay.
So we tend to keep about 5 to 6 varieties of disc pads.
Okay.
So that all the models are being covered. Similarly, there are brake cables.
Okay.
Different sizes.
Okay.
Again, it starts from 78 mm to 88 mm.
Okay.
And again, different size would fit in a different model.
Okay.
Then you have lock sets. There are about 6 variety of lock sets over here.
Okay. And these are controllers, right?
These are controllers.
Okay.
These are heavy duty controllers.
Okay.
So there are 2 kinds of controllers in the market. One is wired and another is called smart.
Okay.
So again, different models, different companies would use different ecosystem.
Okay.
So wired and smart both are available.
Okay. So friends, basically this store is in Ramkoti in Hyderabad. So what about those who are planning to buy from out of Hyderabad?
So we basically sell spare parts all over India. We give spare parts, we supply spare parts all over India. We are giving it to OEMs as well, like Pure EV, Franklin EV, Hero Electric, Bigos. Then there are about 1,000 plus dealers we are supplying spares throughout Hyderabad, Telangana, Andhra, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and often we get inquiries from Mumbai, Pune, even Odisha, Kolkata, where we have a B2B logistics network, and we can courier parts all over India, be it a single brake shoe or it could be like a lakhs of worth order, anything we are supplying it all over India.
Okay, so you can courier all over the India.
Yeah.
Okay, so how will be the pricing compared to the showroom price?
I think there's a big difference over there because when you purchase the parts, everything is coming from China.
Okay.
So we see our basic thing is that we want to keep quality parts. We don't compromise on the quality of the parts. So as you can see, the quality of the products are top notch.
Okay.
And if you see the pricing at the dealer, then there are at least 2 to 3 middlemen.
Yeah.
The OEM, the main supplier in China would have sold to some company. The company would have given to the dealer. Then the dealer will give to the consumer.
Yeah.
So the pricing is almost 3 to 4 times of what we have at our shop.
Okay.
This you will probably get between 80 rupees to 100 rupees at our shop. Similarly, same thing in the showroom would be about 250, 300 rupees.
Okay. So you have each and every part related to electric vehicles.
Yeah.
So what about Ola, Ather, TVS iQube and Revolt kind of things? So are you offering the body panels for those models also?
Right, for the premium bikes like Ola, Ather, Revolt, we offer brake pads which are original quality.
Okay.
We have accessories like extra fitting, footrest, main stand, and for Revolt we are now in process to get the body parts as well.
Okay.
So probably in a month time we'll have the body parts for Revolt as well.
Okay. So here every EV part is available. And what are the other offerings you are offering to the people?
So we do not only sell parts, but we also are into servicing.
Okay.
So we have a service station next door, where normal customer comes and whatever problem is there, we solve it.
Okay.
The next door we also have a battery repair station where we are repairing lithium-ion batteries.
Okay.
Not only batteries, but we repair motor, controller, chargers as well. Chargers we are starting next month. All the other 3 we are already doing it. So it's basically like a one-stop shop where you get spare parts for each models plus servicing where the customers can get normal servicing done, as well as if there are any issues in the battery, motor, controller, then even that is repairable because it's an electronic item.
Yeah.
So to a great extent it can be repaired.
Done. So the people who are living in and around Hyderabad can come here and repair their battery.
Correct.
There is any default in the battery. But what about the people who are staying away from Hyderabad if they want to repair their battery? For example, let's take an instance of Pure EV. So most of the Pure EV batteries are either dead or either they are facing some issues with their batteries. So how the people from other states can utilize your services, your battery repair services?
For batteries, like when coming from other states, because again, one thing I forgot to highlight is that we are authorized here for iPower.
Okay.
And we have seen that the customers all throughout Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, they have sent us iPower batteries which are under warranty for repair via courier. So there are a lot of courier services available in the market that take your batteries and get it delivered. So our customers who feel that their battery is not in a good state and it requires repair can send us through courier. And coming to pure EV, I totally know what kind of a battery it is, and we are doing all kinds of battery, be it pure EV, high powered, Trontech, inverted, or any other local brand which is there. We are doing complete in and out battery repair, right from balancing to cell changing. When we go to our battery workstation, I'll show you that we have about 20-30 pure EV batteries which our dealers have sent to us for repair, and we are doing it and giving it back to the customers, and we are getting a good feedback. So be it any brand battery, we repair it and you will get it before the OEMs, because if you send any battery to the company, it is taking about 2, 3, 6 months, indefinite time. Then what is the purpose of taking an electric vehicle if there is no battery? So again, as I have highlighted, for giving our customers a good experience, we are not only supplying spares, but we are into all kinds of service as well, so that our customers, they get complete experience of handling an EV.
So friends, as you heard just now, so the people who are staying in and around Hyderabad can utilize the services of these JAS EV experts. So if you are using an electric vehicle and if you are facing any kind of issue, these people can resolve your problem. And if you are staying out of Hyderabad also, you can courier your parts or your batteries to them and they will instantly repair your battery within a short period of time. So that's it for today's video, guys. I will give the contact details and address of these JAS EV experts in the description. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.